In today's video, I'll be showing you how to format a hard drive in Windows 10. So the first thing you need to do is ensure you have backed up and taken off any important data and files off that hard drive. Because as soon as you click the format button, that is it. Those files have completely been deleted and you will not be able to get them back. So once you've done that and you're happy, we can now go ahead and open up File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, you then need to click on this PC and you now need to find the hard drive that you want to format. I'm going to use my M drive here as the example. You then need to right click on your hard drive and then click on Format. You will have a window that looks like this. As you can see here at the top, it has the space of the hard drive, which is correct. We don't need to change anything there. We can then change the file system, but as you can see, I don't actually have any other options there, so that's all good. And then we have the allocation unit size. You can always select default if you want to. We can then give the hard drive a name, so I'm just going to call it CS. And we can then choose if we want to do a quick format or if you want to do a more secure format than deselect quick format. But for this video, I'm going to keep quick format selected. We can now go ahead and press start and then press OK. As you can see, there is a little warning saying everything will be removed off the hard drive. Once you're happy, press OK and it will begin to format your hard drive. Once it's finished, you will then get a window that says format complete. We can now go ahead and press OK and then close, and there you go. Your hard drive has now been formatted, and as you can see, it's got the new volume name. I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.